faster, smarter, better. Experience Magnablend, a revolution in blending from Taylor Company. And this revolution is for those who refuse to wait. Designed to increase speed of service in every way, Magnablend redefines efficiency as we know it. By integrating the blender, shaved ice dispenser, and rinse station into one system, Magnablend eliminates the need to move back and forth between separate prep stations. When combined with a stunning 9-second blend time, customer favorites can now be served throughout all day parts to maximize profit opportunities. Of course, a new era in blending is nothing without intelligent technology that renders ordinary blenders obsolete. Among Magnablend's many forward-thinking features is the ability to easily distribute custom beverage recipes to your franchise network. What sets Magnablend apart more than any other innovation, however, is the source of its smooth, ice-crushing power. Instead of relying on direct contact gear mechanisms that can wear down or allow internal moisture buildup, Magnablend utilizes magnetic force and a proprietary sealed, zero-friction design. Faster, smarter, better. The quick-service blender of tomorrow is here today. With integrated stations and an array of breakthrough features, Magnablend helps you consistently and efficiently craft the beverages your patrons crave. Magnablend, a revolution in blending from Taylor.